because the old people is just telling me, not old people only. In YouTube, when you will search Philippine history, you can watch there about like 1971. They are killing too much people. I think there is from there is from Spanish, and then
Yeah,
also about and
that's
there
why
is
Philippine history is sadder thing.
yeah,
Because
and you know
because it can copy some flag from it maybe.
Kapil flag.
Yeah.
That's why my flag is there is one sun and star that is a symbol of fighting war. But that is a symbol. The Philippine people is palaban. You know what it means,
Yeah, if
palaban?
they flip their flag, it will be war flag.
Yeah. Same your you same your flag. There is line. No, circle and like this, like this, like this. What is the color of that? Chakra.
Basta.
No, I forgot that name. The round
Chaka
one.
baka.
I also forget. No, we have there is name that what is that? That is what is the name of that guys?
Jesus.
No, there is name that. Like,
Jesus.
no.
Pinkutini.
Ashok chakra.
No, Pinkutini.
Yeah, Ashok chakra. Yeah, say I remember now your flag, the circle one. I don't know if I'm real, but that is the one, the Ashok
And
chakra.
then tell mommy she don't know if it's real.
I will ask to mommy when she come back. And then 1971. There is also, I think that is also, there is also many Japanese people going to Philippines and they are killing some more Filipino people also. And they are making, they are making, they are, they want to make, they take our land. They're making house there, you know, the, like a museum. They're making like, what do you call this one? Antique. You know, the antique house, they using the wood, the very original wood, like Nara. They call we call that word is Nara. That is a very, very, very national word, international word or national word in Philippines is Nara. Okay, Nara. The Chinese people, they're making house. They using Nara. They using wood like this.
Nani,
Hmm.
do you remember something?
What?
India and Japan were friends for a long time back, but still now. So maybe that time Philippines was maybe attacking India too, and then one day became friends, and then India also copied. Maybe that.
Yeah, maybe that one from the many, many years ago. But what about now? India and Philippines friends?
Yeah.
Are you sure? In the country balls? Hi guys, she's always watching country balls, that's why.
No.
And then
Did you saw me hugging me?
hmm,
Did you saw you hugging me? That
well,
means we're friends.
oh yeah. Yeah, we are friends, we are talking about country balls now, about country.
No. We're not talking about country balls. We are just talking about the story happened maybe.
So, about your story, yeah. You saying is like Taj Mahal. When the Spanish people going to my Mindanao, they're killing all Muslims. Bing, 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 bing. Only the small kids, also the small kids, they're killing. And they said, we will build a church here. All people, all Muslim people need to go to church, pray for Jesus' name, like that. And they are kill. Some very old people, like my grandmother, my grandfather and grandmother, they say no, no, no. Then they kill, bang, like that.
But you still have mommy and daddy?
Yeah, my mommy and daddy maybe they're hiding and under the ground. You know, under the ground there is the in Philippines there is there is a big house,
That
and
is
then they have underground under the soil. They are making the cave under the house. You know, that is the if Japanese people and military Philippine military they're fighting. All people is going there in underground. That is in the old history before. And then,
but how can the digging go? You were still in the tummy.
um, because you know when I was 7 years old, you still have war. When I am 7 years old, I heard some um military and I don't know why they are fighting from Abu Sayyaf. So that is two different of military in Philippines. They are fighting like we heard bing 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 like
What
this.
year they become friends?
Become friend is already 2000.
2000?
Yeah.
That means that time I'm
And
still
then
born.
and in 1970.
And how old are you in
So much.
2000?
Wait. I'm not finished
How
about
old-
Japanese
How
people.
old are you in 2000, I say?
I don't remember. I need to think first. But I so long to think. I want to tell more the story about Japanese people.
Okay.
They are build the house, the wood house, and like a palace house, big big. And they are taking very bad. They are making very bad things. They kidnap all the girls. You know, all the beautiful girls. They are kidnap the beautiful girls, and they want to stay with them in that inside the house. And then, but after that, that is a very very long ago. But after 2000, 2000, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, Philippines and Japanese is become best friends. And so much Philippine going to Japan to do job to work because 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 Japan people Japan money, you know, we call yen, like your money Indian money you call rupees, right?
Yes.
And UK money you call rupees. Rupees. And then in America like a dollar. And in Philippines like peso.
Adri,
And
how are
then
you? We
she's-
went to doctor. Mommy has too much boo boo.
she called daddy.
Yeah, daddy went to doctor with mommy.
And how is mommy?
Mommy has too much boo boo.
Uh-oh. Where is mom? Where is madam now? Buti dumating na sila, nakailang minuto na ako. Konti na lang.
What
And
is
then-
next?
The next is, yeah. The Philippine people, money we call peso. Japanese yen. You know, in Japanese money, like 500 yen equivalent. And Philippine peso so big, like 5,000 peso. See, only 500 yen, 500 Japanese money.
Stop. India have more money than your Philippines. Is the fifth one. I know your Philippines is only 14 one.
Yeah, that is what is the call this one? That is rate. You are talking like a rate. Yeah, your money like 1 dirham, maybe 15 dirham coming.
No, it's because
Yeah, it's coming big money. But in Philippines
yes,
only 10
because they
dirham
try really hard to get more money.
and more money. And then I was talking about Japanese na.
Yes, but we should also talk about India because India, that time also has some war.
Yeah, it's so big. And then, but more big is like I think dollar. No,
Wait, Nani, I remember something else.
what?
So when the war started, Philippines, India was on. Daddy, I mean, was also a baby, yeah?
Yeah,
Because you're close to age to each other.
yeah.
And then you started growing in 1979. And
19.
Daddy started growing after
Ang talino niya.
3 years. So that means she is born at 1982.
79,
Maybe
80.
Daddy was also
81,
in the war that time.
So Nani is older 3 years than your daddy. Okay.
No. Okay.
What? Okay.
99. So that means that the next year Daddy will join in at next year if he can talk like me. And then at 6, and then at 3 years old he can talk, he can go also. And then in 4 years old everybody can talk, he can go.
Okay na, we remove na your nappy first.
And then tell the story again.
No, not the story now. We will talk that later. You go with mommy. We'll ask mommy. How is mommy?
No, I want to tell the story.
We will take the story. Story. Yeah, I want to listen the story. But we will watch the story. We will search what is the happening in 1971 on 2019. but
That time they become friends.
yeah, but my Philippine also real story I don't know very well. But just I know that
Nani,
that
maybe the TV was tricking us. Philippines should be at the TV.
the TV.
India lava.
Yeah.
Because India have 11 friends, but they only have 10.
Yeah.
But they should have 11 because that is all about his friends. And none of his friends, total is his friends is 11. So that's why it shouldn't be India, but they put. Maybe
Yeah.
they don't know about it.
No, I told you now. Who told you that this you're watching Country Balls? Country Balls is real. That is some true and some trick only. It's not all. It's not true all. That is they're making only video.
Mommy,
Bye guys.
did you forget you
God bless everyone. Good morning
who is
everyone.
taking care of me?
Yeah.